Okay, so here's a quick tutorial on how to access Go4Schools. So the first thing you need to do is to go to the Go4Schools website, and you can see the web address up here, www.go4schools.com. So log yourself onto that website and you should land at the home page that I've got on the screen now. Next thing you need to do, at the top we've got our login button, and there are several different ways of logging in. If you're a student, you'll obviously want to click on Students Login, but you can do the same if you're a parent. You just select Parent Login just below Students. So I'm going to log in as a student. And then we come to the login page, and you'll need to log in using your student email. So for instance, if you're in year 10, your email will start with the 17 for 2017. And if your name was John Smith, you'd put J for John and the first three letters of your surname. That would be my email address. And it will be at warwick.surrey.sch.uk. Once you've done that, you'll need to log in using your password. If you've forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgotten Password link here. And you can enter again your school student email address here, and it will send a password reset link to your school email, and then you can go on there and change your password, and then hopefully you'll be logged in to Go4Schools. If you don't have access to your school email because you don't have the password for that, please click on the link and watch my other video where I can show you how to get onto your school email or what to do if you don't have your password.